Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Auto Sport in Indiana, Pennsylvania with something I've never had before, a 1978 Fiat 124 Spider. Today we're going to do a little walk around, go over the exterior, interior, engine bay, trunk, show you a full tour of this car. That way, whether you're coming in to look at the car or having it shipped right to your house, you know exactly what you're getting. As always, if there's anything I missed or you'd like me to touch further on, feel free to call me, text me, email me. As you can see, I woke up today wanting to do this video, so I wore red to match. We're going to start in front, work our way around, and show what this guy has to offer. It has a 1700 and I believe 54cc four-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission. The transmission was just rebuilt. It has a new water pump and a lot of new components on this car. According to the previous owner, it was repainted about a year ago, and it only has 57,000 miles. So pretty nice car. Be sure to look at the website as well, because there is underneath photos that show you the whole underside as well as in the wheel wells. So starting in the front bumper is pretty clean. It does show a little bit of patina, nothing out of the ordinary. The rubber and everything shows well, and your headlight bezels are likewise really nice and clean. There's no dents or anything. And yeah, going across the grill, it looks like all the teeth and everything are still there. Aluminum trim in the grill surround, and just a really good look to this car. Uh, Sorry, the train's going by if you hear the horn, but um, red paint on this again looks like new. It has a mirror-like finish. Actually did a nice job on it. It really brought the car together. From what I know, that is the original color of this car as well. Whenever we open up the engine bay, you'll see that it's also done in the same fashion. So if you want to come around. All right, going down the driver's side here. Driver quarter into the driver door, into the front fender. Really nice and crisp. Doors open and close real easy, and really sharp lines across the fenders here. Your indicator light does show a little bit of patina on the inside there. I guess that's probably a reflector, but really nice overall. Um, they're called Abarth style wheels. Actually in excellent condition. I do have a receipt for them. I think they were replaced in 2018. Might be off on that. And it does have brand new tires all the way around that we just installed. Going around the windshield here, there's no cracks or big chips or anything in the dash. There's no lines, I guess you'd call them, or markings from the windshield wipers going back and forth. Wipers do still work. And the seal around here is pretty nice. And again, your chrome work around the windshield, very, very little bit of patina showing. Really nice overall condition. And your quarter window, likewise the same. Actually, even in here, the seal's really nice and clean. These are a manual top, obviously. I'm not going to put the top up, but you can look at the pictures. I think it was replaced about 2 years ago. There is a receipt for that as well. Your clamps and everything here are in nice condition. And whenever you put the top up, your rear window is attached to the top, which I've never seen before. It's kind of neat. There's your driver window, up and down, real nice and easy. A little bit of patina on the door handle here. This is all stuff you're not going to see in the pictures, but I'd rather tell you about it. That way you know that it is there. And again, you got to expect for a 78. This car's in really, really nice condition. Also, whenever you're looking at the pictures, you can see the rockers are really nice and clean, and as well as the trunk area underneath the mat. It's going to be a little tight. Julie's going to come back here, but across the deck lid there, again, we do have a lot of receipts that go with this car. I have them in the office, but there are pictures of them on the website, and I'd be glad to send them over to you in a PDF too. But they did add this a few years back. Your Fiat emblem's nice and clear, and again, rear bumper, I'd say it's actually nicer than the front bumper. A couple spots there and there. Exhaust looks to be recently replaced. This car came out of Virginia. They traded it on a 1969 Jaguar X-Type that I had. You probably saw it if you've been following me. And all right, throughout the trunk area, you can see really nice in there. There's the fuel tank. No signs of any rust or anything in there. actually just going to set this down, make it easier so I can show you full-size spare. Full-size spare is still there. Again, nice and clean down in the well of the trunk area. Even in the, I don't know what you'd call them, I guess, insides of the fenders show nice and clean, and just a nice car for the money. Again, you're not talking about a $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 car here. Just something to take out, have fun, join a local car cruise. And this guy used this car a lot. He did put some miles on it. In fact, right before he bought the Jaguar, he put about 100 miles on it the day before. It didn't miss a beat, and we'll fire it up at the end. Passenger quarter, passenger door, passenger fender. Again, they actually did a real nice job on this paint. There's no signs of overspray. A lot of times you see it, or sand marks here or there. I'm sure there's something, but overall, did a really nice job on it. And again, same with the windows and quarter windows on this side. Trim is nice. Windows roll nice and easy. And in fact, while I'm over here, I'm going to open up the door. I'm going to go to the other side, and I'll go throughout the interior. Again, talking about the receipts, I do have paperwork from when a lot of this stuff was replaced. New carpeting, shift knob, stuff like that. Steering wheel, it is a Nardi steering wheel. Horn still works. They don't have a radio, so no radio for you, but just a nice, clean, classic interior. The dash shows nice. There's no cracks or anything across it. And it does have the faux wood trim, which is in pretty nice condition. It's not perfect, but it does show well, and it ties the car in together. Seats look like they've been reupholstered at some point as well, and they have like a suede inserts. No kind of odors that I'm smelling, and yeah, not much to see. All the gauges are working. I don't know if yes, it does. The clock does work. So as far as I know, all the gauges are working, and we're going to show you throughout the engine. And to show you as much as I know about Fiats, first time I went to do the engine, I went to the front. So that's what I know. All right. So biggest thing I always look at in a lot of these classic cars is down in the fenders. You can see it's nice and clean. There's no signs of any rot or anything like that. Crust here is likewise same condition. Engine appears nice. And at some point they added this stitched, I guess, hood insulation. And again, the timing belt and the water pump have been done, as the transmission's been replaced not too long ago. Clutch, and I do have paperwork for pretty much all of that. And yeah, I'm going to fire it up here and show you all the lights. You're probably not going to be able to hear it because of the microphone, but hopefully you can get a little taste of it whenever I fire it up. All right, fires right up, idles nicely, and here goes the light show. There's your headlights, and then we got your passenger turn signal and your driver turn signal. And yeah, like I said, if you want to go to the back, we'll do the lights back there, and we'll wrap it up. And again, no kind of dash lights or anything are on. I don't even think they had dash lights. You can see that the park and brake light still works. Hazard light. They did put like a USB charger in here. I don't know if that was for navigation purposes or what. But there's your hazards. There's your turn signal. Other turn signal. And yeah, let's see here. The fan does blow. I just turned it on. Obviously no air conditioning in this, but the heat, the defrost is working. No trouble there. Whoop. So, and yeah, just all the gauges are nice and clear. They're easy to read. You can Here the engine has a nice strong sound to it. And yeah, just a nice, clean, classic car. If you want to go into the front, we'll wrap it up. So again, this is a 1978 Fiat 124, 57,000 actual miles on the title. It's available at Autosport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. Again, feel free to call me, text me, come out and look at the car, send somebody to look at the car. I don't know everything about these cars. I don't pretend to, and we're always looking to learn. So just a nice car overall. Hopefully this gives you a nice presentation in addition to the pictures and the paperwork that's available on the website. And we'll do whatever we can to do this, get this guy in your garage. So have a good day, and thanks for watching.